Hey guys, I'm Kimberly with the Fact Quarter Shop, and I'm here with Matthew, Mister Domestic. He's a fabric designer for Art Gallery Quilts, and he's going to show me how to improv piece. So what do I need to do this? I don't even know where to start, or what do we need?
Right, and I just want to start this video by letting everyone know out there that I know that improv piecing creates anxiety for some of y'all because it's so different, it's outside of the box, there's really no rules, there's no way to do it wrong, and that just like blows some people's minds. So from this, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna create like a striped like pillow.
Okay.
Right, where it's gonna be one stripe of a solid, one stripe of improv piece, one stripe of a solid. So what is the color out of this new AGF solid bunch of their 20 new colors? Which is the one that you think would be the best background?
I would say either the lighter gray or the darker gray, one of these two. So you tell me which one.
I mean, I'm all about saturation, so I would pick this one.
Okay. So we'll start there.
So this one I'm gonna put aside. And so let's pick.
Oh, we're gonna pick. Okay, we're gonna keep picking.
From
okay.
this, let's pick, let's say 2 different or 3 different main groupings to where you at least have 2 colors in them.
Okay, so we'll pick this pink.
Okay. And put another one with this one.
Another pink?
Yeah, pair it with something.
Okay, that pink.
This one. And then just for some variety, let's do this little.
Okay.
Let me help you out.
Okay. That's pretty.
Okay, so this is like one grouping of improv. Pick
Okay.
another grouping of 3 fabrics.
Oh, lordy lord.
I know. Let's stick with, I don't want to overwhelm you, so let's just pick one more grouping.
Okay, navy.
Okay, go for
I
it.
don't know if that's going to even work.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Navy, and then what about this light gray? No?
Mm-mm. I wouldn't pick another gray just because it might not pop against this. Let's
Okay.
pick this one,
Okay.
and then let's pick this other blue.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, we're going to start with these.
It looks good.
They're beautiful. You did
Okay.
a good job. Everyone give her a hand. She picks up good colors. And let's put these away.
Okay, we're going to put these away, and we can use these for another project.
Yep. Solids never go bad, folks. So what I'm going to do here.
And are you going to need, you're going to need...
You need a rotary cutter.
Okay.
Retractable. Mr. Domestic needs retractable because he forgets to close
He's
it all
going
the
to
time.
cut himself because he keeps doing this. I told him not to, so don't comment below because we already know.
Okay, so this is a technique that I use. It's a
Okay.
wonky technique. So
Okay.
it's intentionally going to look abstract.
Okay.
The first thing that I'm going to do, would you like to do it? I'm teaching Kimberly Jolly how to do this.
Okay, which way are we cutting?
We're going to cut this way,
Okay, well, I'm going to do it this way then.
of course.
Okay, sorry, I can't.
Cut away from yourself, folks. Don't do what I say.
Okay, where am I cutting? Here?
So you're going to cut a 6-inch. 6-inch. If you want to cut the...
Yeah. Okay, 6-inch. Okay.
Look at this. You can use this for fabric weaving, folks.
Yes, and we're going to have those videos also. Okay, so 6-inch strip.
There we go. Okay, put this aside.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Ta-da.
We need this.
Oh,
I know, this learning. So now what I'm going to show you, and then I want you to follow. So I'm going to cut wonky strips. So it's going to be on the diagonal here.
okay.
I'm going to start this one right here. And I'm going to suggest, because there's no wrong way to do this. I know that's hard, that the narrow part should be no more narrow than 1.5 inches. The outer part should be no more narrow than about 3 inches. So here, go ahead. I'm going to let you do it. I empower you.
Okay.
And then keep doing it. That's good. How do you feel?
They all look the same, but I don't know how to make them look different.
good,
So
it's
I'm
good.
I'm gonna let you make some look different. 'cause
Okay.
That doesn't look
It's
very
okay.
different.
It's okay. It's improv. There's no wrong way, y'all. See, look.
I don't know.
Ta-da!
And we're gonna piece this together.
And then let's do some random. This is how I do random. This is letting go of all the rules, folks. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
He thinks he's Olaf. Is it Olaf? Who is it? Is it Elsa? Who is it?
Let it go, let it go. So now we are going to take this. Oh,
Okay.
look at her. She's all making it pretty.
I don't even
Yin
know.
yang, folks. Yin yang. So now we're going to take this over to the sewing machine and get our sewing on to get
Okay.
some improv on.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Whoop, whoop. So we are using this amazing aurifil thread for the piecing. It's a 50 weight. Number is 2000. So that's what's in the sewing machine. And now what we're going to do, she's already put these, they're not in order, they just look pretty. So you're gonna pick the top two because that's what you did. And since these are wonky, what I would do, I would go narrow to wide.
Okay.
And then just keep going. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. You can just grab the next one since these are random. You could chain piece. Let's do some next level chain piecing. Go ahead and do two together.
But narrow. I'm not going to do it this way. I'm going to turn it, right?
Narrow to wide, just to simplify it. Let's do like 6 of those.
Okay. That's 2.
I'm really proud of you, Kimberly.
Oh my goodness, this is like, I don't even know.
You're doing a great job.
It's going to like, I don't even know what it's going to be at the end.
That's amazing. Okay, one more. It looks like you're having fun.
Yes, I love it. It's blue. I love blue.
Me too. Okay, now trim those and sew 2 pairs of each of those together.
Okay. We're not going to iron first, right? We're just gonna keep going.
Does that make you nervous?
Yeah.
Yay.
You're going to iron.
I love ironing.
I love ironing. I love, wait.
If you can't, it's okay. If you can't get narrow to wide, it's okay.
Okay,
there's no wrong thing here.
Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, no, I love, my favorite thing to do is to iron and to cut. Piecing,
Really?
Yeah, piecing is not mine.
Do you love to quilt?
No, I just like to cut and iron and start.
That's amazing.
That's my favorite part. Like, I will get so excited if I just have to go home and starch. That's like my favorite part of the whole project.
That's amazing.
So these, I must have done
It's okay. No, you did not do anything wrong. There's nothing wrong. This is normal in the nubile improv piecing mindset. You will start to doubt yourself because it's so uncomfortable. Just go. There's nothing wrong here. And improv piecing is a great scrap buster. You can use all those extra pieces from other projects, put it together, make it cute. So, this right here is beautiful. It's free, it's liberating. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just press the seams to one side. Boom, boom, shake the room, folks. Put it over here. And then now I'm gonna iron. Get some muscle into it. Oh, get that cardio. Oh, hit there.
Quilting is my cardio.
Okay, so now we have this.
Okay.
So, how comfortable does this make you feel?
Not good.
Awesome. Trust.
Okay.
So we have the option to where you could be done. You're done with the project, call it a day. I'm kidding.
No, we gotta make a quilt. We gotta make a pillow.
We're not
or
done.
something.
We're not done. Why I'm saying that is you can continue to improv this up, or you can make this just by itself be one stripe.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this straight.
You don't want to turn it the other way? There you go. We don't need to get hurt over here on my set.
Okay, like this? Is this how we do it?
Yes. I don't want you to get hurt, you know.
I don't either. Y'all have insurance. JK. Okay, so this is, what is that? Like this?
5.5.
5.5. Do you want to cut that one?
Yeah, but we gotta turn it around.
Do you really?
Not do that. I don't know what you're doing, but we're not doing that. No.
That's amazing. Thank you. Thank you for learning me. Safety.
Safety. Okay, 5.5.
I'm sorry, this is foxy to me. So, what we could do, this would be a stripe. We can cut it in half, create 2 stripes. I plan on with this as the solid, it's gonna alternate, right? So you can do that. Or we can cut them thinner and then add
No,
them and make them
no.
more improv.
Let's leave
I
it.
want you to stay within your comfort zone, folks.
Well,
So
I
let's-
like it how it looks. It's pretty.
You want it to be thick like this?
Yeah, I like it pretty.
Okay, see, that's the whole improv. You just trust your intuition. When your intuition says it's done, it's done. So now we're gonna make another one with the alternate color with this and call it a day.
Okay, so we'll do that and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
So we went ahead and we made a total of 4 different strips and just cut them random sizes, and then I cut some random strips. They're like 2 or 3 or 4, whatever. We just cut random strips. So now what?
You are absolutely embracing the random.
I am, and you know, like
Embrace the random.
And I was saying one of my sons wants to learn, but he's only 9 and he's very like he's not like OCD like me. So I'm like, oh, I don't know, we might have to wait. But I think he could do this.
This is a perfect technique of sewing and piecing that kids can do. I have a 6-year-old myself, and I'm all about creating stuff that she can do. I think that even she could come and sew them together, even if the seam allowance isn't like perfect. Like, she can still go for it. So now we're gonna sew these up. We've created these solids, interspliced. They look va-va-voom together. Now, just with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, just gonna sew all this. Square it up because it's 18 inches, and then make a pillow. Look at that. Boom, boom. Yay.
Yeah, so we're going to go cut it. We're going to finish sewing it, and then we'll trim it down. So look how cute this is. It's so cute. I love it. So I'm going to just trim it down. I'm kind of like a 100%er, he said.
100%er.
I don't know what that means.
Those of y'all who I'm a 95%er. That's my mantra. I strive for 95% perfection. I think that 5% steals your joy. She's a 100%er.
100%er gives me joy. So we would love it if you guys subscribe to the Fat Quarter Shop channel and obviously the Mister Domestic channel.
Don't forget to subscribe. MISTER Domestic. Yay. Did you hear her say she actually liked this? In the beginning of this, she was like,
I like it. I like it.
But she actually likes it.
But you're in my way and I'm trying
Okay.
to cut. Get out of my way. I'm going to cut you. It's so cute. I'm going to turn it into a pillow.
Look at that. An improv convert.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!